This video will demonstrate how to thread your needle. Your floss is made up of 6 strands of thread. You can use all 6 strands of thread at once and thread them onto your needle at the same time. Begin by snipping the floss so that it has a crisp, blunt edge. It's very difficult to thread a needle with a frayed edge on your floss. Pinch the end of your floss in between your finger and thumb. When you pinch, it should cause your floss to disappear inside the pinch. Place your needle against your finger and thumb where you know the floss to be, even though you can't see it. With your needle against your finger and thumb, unpinch the floss and watch as the floss moves up through the eye of the needle. Now pull the floss through the needle. Tie a knot at the other end of your floss and you are ready to begin embroidering.